Hello guys, in this video I'm going to finish sculpting stylized girl's body and head. Here is not much to comment, I was mainly sculpting, resculpting and sculpting again. It's the first time I decided to make a beautiful looking full body stylized female, so I was using a bunch of different anatomy sources such as books, 3D scans, stylized female 3D models, base meshes and drawings. I found it very handy to buy a good 3D model reference, turn it from every single angle that you need, make a screenshot and collect the reference pack and have it in your PureRef file. So you will always be able to look at it for your reference when you need it. So as you see, I started here working on shoulders and chest area. Again, I realized that female breast must have some muscles under it in order to look good and realistic. So I was fixing it here. And mainly in this part I was merging subtools, working on transitions between merged body parts and working on details. Special attention in the video was given to hands and feet. Closer to the end you will see how I was sculpting the face, so make sure to watch it till the end if that part is interesting for you. For now I'm going to leave since there is not much things to comment. If you will have any questions, you can always write me in the comment section below and I normally answer to every single question. So this is the end of the video, and you can see the final result. In the next videos I'm going to polish the model, make outfit and retopology in Blender, and after that I'm planning to texture it in Substance Painter and maybe even rig in Blender. So stay tuned and I will see you later. Bye bye.